Greetings for the day. In today's topic, we'll be discussing about ethics in public relations and public relations law which are prevalent in healthcare industry. When we talk about healthcare industry, the first thing which comes to our mind is code of ethics, and there are 4 basic principles which are applied in healthcare industry. These are integrity, which means honesty to which the work is being done, objectivity, which means open-mindedness to deliver the task, confidentiality and competency, which means having desired skills and knowledge to perform the task. When we look towards the international scenario, there are certain international code of ethics which are prevalent in healthcare industry, and these codes are professional conduct, being uninfluenced by profits, cautions, certifications and justifications of the code, and loyalty and secrecy of the employees towards the organization and the patients. There are certain societal codes which have been established by the businesses to perform their social responsibility, which are personalized towards the company environment, and these are in 4 broad categories. These are reliability, which means that the code should be accepted by all, impartiality, which means code should not favor any individual or organization, discretion, which means code should be aloof, and proficiency, which means that the employees who are performing their duties should be well skilled and have the adequate knowledge to perform the task. There are certain professional codes which are applicable in healthcare industry. These codes are applicable to the employees who are working in healthcare industry, and these codes are being unbiased, being fair, should have genuine concern towards the patient, and should be efficient in handling the allotted task. There are certain kinds of law which are prevalent in healthcare industry, and these are law of defamation, invasion of privacy, copyright and trademark laws, internet copyright issues, trademark laws, and miscommunication. There are certain challenges to the ethical behavior, and these challenges are utilitarian view of ethics, which means providing the best moral action, individualism view of ethics, which means setting tone for ethical decision making, moral right view of ethics, which means not interfering in other person's right, and justice view of ethics, which means morality of justice. There are certain ethical dilemmas which are prevalent in healthcare industry, and these dilemmas are discrimination, sexual harassment, conflict of interest, customer confidence, and organizational resources. With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Thank you.